Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on graphing lines. The two variables x and y appear on the number plane. If you remember, the x-axis is the horizontal axis, which is this one, and the y-axis is the vertical axis, which is this one. The relationships between x and y can be expressed in a number of different ways. And here are the different ways. Number one, by an equation. For example, here's a simple equation, y equals x plus 1. This is a relationship between x and y. And here's an equal sign, and that's why we call it an equation. So the value of y will be whatever the value of x is plus 1. That's basically it. The relationship can also be expressed by using a table which is derived from the equation. So once you have the equation, you can actually draw up a table. So I've supplied the x values of 1, 2, 3. You can have any x values you want, but just for the sake of explaining how to do it, I have just chosen the numbers 1, 2 and 3. So when x equals 1, y equals 1 plus 1, which is 2. When x equals 2, y equals 2 plus 1, and that's 3. And when x equals 3, y equals 3 plus 1, which is 4. So that's the second way of representing the relationship between x and y just by drawing a table. The third way is by ordered pairs, and we extract the ordered pairs from the table. For example, the first ordered pair will be 1, 2. There it is there. The second one is 2, 3, 2, 3, and the third ordered pair is 3, 4. So if you remember, the x value always comes first, and the y value comes second. And the final way we can show a relationship between x and y is we plot the points on the number plane, and we join them up to form a line. And we can see that the line continues in each direction. So let's have a look at a quick example on the next slide. So with this example, we're going to use the equation y equals x minus 3 to complete the table of numbers. The x values are given, so I've given you minus 1, 1 and 4 for the x values. After that, plot the ordered pairs on a number plane, and finally draw the line on the same number plane. So here's the equation of y equals x minus 3. So when x equals minus 1, y will be minus 1 minus 3, which is minus 4. When x is 1, y is 1 minus 3, which is minus 2. And when x is 4, which is there, y is 4 minus 3, which is 1. It doesn't matter what values of x you put here, you can still find the corresponding values of y. Then we have to plot the ordered pairs on a number plane. So here's minus 1 minus 4. There is 1 minus 2. And here is 4, 1. And finally, we join them up, and that gives us the line, which also shows a relationship between x and y in that particular equation. So this video has introduced a simple idea of showing the relationships between x and y on a number plane, and we've seen very clearly how we can use 4 different ways to actually show that relationship.